Hello, Arghya.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm also fine. If I ask you some article questions, will you be able to answer?
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, he is dash honest officer.
N.
She is dash university lecturer.
A.
It was dash honor to meet him.
On N.
He waited for dash hour before the meeting started.
N.
An hour.
Yes.
She is dash MBA from a reputed institute.
N.
An MBA.
Yes.
I saw dash one-eyed man near the temple.
A.
He got dash unique chance to prove himself.
A.
A unique,
Yes. A.
not
N.
an unique. Why?
Because it sounds like you.
You, when you sounds like you, we use a. Though it's a vowel sound word. Now, she is dash European researchers working in India.
A.
A European.
Yes.
Because of why you sounds.
Yes.
You sounds. Okay. He is dash FBI officer on a secret mission.
N.
An FBI.
Yes.
Next one is, he is dash humble person despite his success.
A. Humble person.
It was dash once in a lifetime opportunity.
A.
Once before wa sound.
Because it sounds like wa. That is why it is A.
Good. She has dash LLB degree from a famous university.
N.
He is dash SP in the police department.
S. P. It's N.
Now, can you explain when we should use the?
We use the before specific things, and we also use the that we point out
Before definite articles. Can you tell us some rules for definite articles?
when something is specific. We use the. We also use the when we point out something. We use the before only one thing, like the moon, the sun, the planet, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, etc.
The Pacific Ocean,
Yes.
the Atlantic Ocean,
Yes. The Southern Ocean, the Indian Ocean,
the space,
yes,
the
the
universe,
universe, the Milky Way galaxy,
the Andromeda Galaxy,
yes,
the solar system,
yes,
the Earth.
yes, the equal university. We use that before first, second, third,
Ordinal numbers.
Yes, ordinal
First,
numbers.
second, third, fourth.
First, second, third,
And degrees. What about degrees? Before which degree do we use the?
we use that before most.
Superlative degrees.
Yes.
So we use the before superlative degrees.
Yes.
Okay, that's all for today. Say bye to all.
I do.